Welcome along to BalloonTube, where we're going to show you the tiger today. Alright, this one I've got small white bubbles for his eyes, just by his ears. But when you're out and about, generally I just actually draw them on, like on this one. So I just thought I'd show you the variation. There they are. So what you need to do, take your 260, pre-stretch it, because you do need to get quite a lot of balloon out of this. You need a 3-finger bubble. Oh, you need 7 fingers uninflated. You forgot there, didn't I? So 7 fingers uninflated. You need a 3-finger bubble. Alright, a 1-finger bubble. Squeeze the air. A 3-finger bubble. A 1-finger bubble. Squeeze the air. A 3-finger bubble. And try and get the 3-finger bubble the same size. There we go. Tie the knot. Alright, so 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Alright, secret code. Tie the knot around and then do a 1-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. That's at the bottom of the head. Right, we now need a 3-finger bubble, so squeeze the air, 3-finger bubble, 5-finger bubble and a 1.5-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. So twist that to there and then what you're going to do, I generally push the long balloon through, but sometimes the ears do come undone there, so I do try and hold on to the ears so that when you're pulling that through, there you go, so the pinch twist at the back there, and this is the tiger's head. So you've got these 1-finger bubbles, they're going to be the ears, so pinch twist those, and squeeze the side of the head and the head together as you gently make those into pinch twists. There you go. So it's going to look a little bit like this. You need a 2-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. And then the legs are a 4-finger bubble. So you need 2 of those, 2 4-finger bubbles. And the second twist goes around the pinch twist. There you go. So hopefully look a little bit like this. You need a 5-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble, and the 1-finger bubble you pinch twist again, 2 4-finger bubbles, and 2 4-finger bubbles, and you need a 5-finger bubble here. This one's here we go. So that's why I said you need to pre-stretch them, the balloon between your finger and thumb, and then once it's inflated, actually stretch the balloon again. All right, so let that down until we get that 5-finger bubble. There we go. And then that will then go into the pinch twist at the top of the front of the legs. Alright, so hold of that. Wrap that around a couple of times so it definitely doesn't come undone. There we go. So this is looking like our tiger. Now you need a white 160. You're only going to use about half of it, so you know, you need a 2.5-finger bubble. So, yeah, about there. So 2 of those. Tie the knot around the second twist. And, oh, there you go. I buttered that up there, haven't I? Let's start again. Rewind. Right. So, what you do, tie the knot around the pinch twist underneath the tiger's head. Right. You then need a 2.5-finger bubble. And then 2 1-finger bubbles, alright, which we're going to twist these together. Ooh. Make sure you twist it enough time so it doesn't come undone. That's a bit bigger than that. Oh dear. Never mind, I'll carry on. I know what I'm doing, sort of. Twist these 2 together because you need these to be 2 pinch twists. Alright, and then the bubble goes over the top. Alright, so that's going to be the top of the mouth section, and then you do a 1.5-finger bubble, pinch that, twist that in, so that's just slightly bigger, and that's going to be the bottom of the mouth section. Alright, and then one of those pinch twists has to go at the front here, where you've got the 3-finger and the 5-finger. Alright, so just get one of those pinch twists, wrap it around, there, underneath. And then you need another 2.5-finger bubble to come along the other side of the lower part of the mouth. And twist that, I'm not sure if we can see that, twist that into the pinch twist. And then they've got to be slightly pushed in. There we go. Now I do then come up the back of the head in the white as well and over the top, just to give it a little bit more white definition for the tiger. So because these are 3-finger bubbles, just roll that up the back of the head, round the pinch twist, across the top of the head, squeeze the air, and down the other side. Again, they're all about a 3-finger bubble, and that bottom section goes round the pinch twist. Wrap it round. Then we push the 160 through the front legs, like so. Pull that nice and tight. And it depends how tight you pull that, the positioning of the head. So if you pull it too tight, he's going to look down. So don't have it too have it so it's there we go. And then just measure that to the back pinch twist here. Wrap that around. And get rid of that in your favourite method. There we go. And just for, I will tie that, generally don't tie a knot. I'm not going to tie the knot, I don't normally, so there we go. Alright, so that's going to end up being like this. Now if you was going to put the eyes in, all they are is 2 1-finger bubbles, they are, but they do have a lot of slack there, and I push those in from the back here to there, and then that stretches across here and goes into the other side. I'm showing you, so I could just do it really. There we go. So this one gets pushed in there. And at this point I'm thinking, I wish I said I was going to show you how to do it now. There you go. There's one in there. That gets pulled across. As I said, when I'm out and about, I generally just draw his eyes on because it's a little bit longer, so there you go. Alright, so that's that. The towel, between a 5 and a 6-finger bubble, only out of a 160. So and that just go down there. Now, and I'd just like to slightly bend the end of the towel, just give it a little shape there. Right, now his nose. Right, again it's a 160, about a 1-finger bubble. Tie that into a knot, not too tight, otherwise it will be a pinch twist, so it still wants to be roundish. Alright, and then you need to get rid of the excess there on one side. You keep the rest of the balloon though of the 160. Don't, oh, hang on. I was just getting rid of the knot. So this has still got a puff of air in it because I use that. That goes round these 2 pinch twists here. Keep that round nice and tight. And then I take the puff of air 160, push that through this section here, and go on the other side. It just gives it a little bit of definition there. You know, you could just draw a black with a black pen, but I suppose I don't know. I've always done it this way. And wrap that around there. Now you could just cut the rest of that 160 off, but I like to put it around the mouth as well, between his mouth and his nose. So that will go around there. There we go. And just put that around. Hide it up so you can't see it. There we go. Right. And, there we go. So here's our tiger, and then you just draw the stripes on. Right. So get your pen. Right. Let's just a little bit of that. There we go. His eyes. And then we'll just have some. We've got some stripes on. There we go, and there are some over here as well. And we'll have some, I was just looking to see, oh yeah, that's right, I did put some on his nose as well, didn't I? And we'll have, oh, not very good, a little bit wonky there. You'll get the idea. And then we'll have this side as well. Oh, on his towel. There you go, and oh, where else? There, perhaps there. There we go. So here's our tiger, all done. And we'll give him a quick whirl. A twirl. We'll give him a little twirl for you. So there you go, there's your tiger. Thanks for watching. If you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, that would be very much appreciated. Tell a few friends about BalloonTube, and we'll see you another time. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.